day 220 of 3D modeling and printing every day for 365 days straight. Today I wanted a jig for my Dremel so that when I sand things, both my hands are free. I made a single piece base that the Dremel sits perfectly into. Then on top of that, I added 2 clips that can be screwed in with easy to remove bolts. No tools required for assembly, making it easy to use and remove whenever. I also made the base wide and flat so that you can clamp both sides to your desk or worktop. I think in a future version I could probably incorporate these clamps into the design, but for now I found the simplest and cleanest. Anyways, I love how it turned out, and it's so much more ergonomic and easy to use than holding it in one hand while holding my workpiece in the other. Stick around for day 221.